Hey man,
watch out!
It's a woodpecker from space. I didn't know the reason why. Still dark outside, but then a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and bumped my head against the door. By the time I was okay, I heard that funny cry once more. Woodpeckers from space, just can't believe it. Woodpeckers from space, how do you do? Before my eyes, with a spacesuit and a laser gun, he was only passing by. I was looking at his face, but he was right in front of me. I was hypnotized by his eyes, and he told me where he wants to be.
He said, don't be afraid to take me to the hardest spot in town, 'cause we like to move our body on an incredible funky sound.
I took him down to the boogie ground, and we really had a lot of fun.
I said, listen everybody to the Woodpecker boogie. Come on, let's have some fun.
Woodpeckers from space. Woodpeckers from space.
Do not be frightened, young dragon. You are not alone. Who are you? What is this place? I have summoned you here so that you might be warned. The celestial moons are counting down, and time is running out.
Spyro.